sector and with several state and central government ministries. He is currently Vice President Next Education, a firm engaged in e-learning and digital learning in education and teacher training. Mr. Amit Goenka.
Let me start with Jai Hind. Sat Sri Akal, Namaskar, Adab. And very good afternoon to all the guests on the dais, preliminaries present, guests in the audience, CII, special mention to Anamika and Pari for organizing this for me. This is a wonderful platform to talk about issues which go beyond brick and mortar. The theme is very interesting and very soft and very touchy, and it's very important. When you speak to a man in the language he understands, it goes to his head. You speak to the man in his language, it goes into his heart. That's Dr. Nelson Mandela. I've always believed Hindi is my mother and English is my wife. And I've learned to live with both of them. But here today I'll be sticking to the wife more, considering the audience demography. Education is the most powerful weapon that can transform the world. Again, Dr. Nelson Mandela. Then we have Swami Vivekananda, who said, education with values can transform you forever. And you will transform the world. Values is a very subjective topic. It is very, it is something which is prone to criticism. India is a diverse country, so there is no standard benchmark for values, ethics, right? For example, and there are many funny stories with the technology all in place today, with everybody having access to everything all around on the mobile phones. People are very smart. Even if you go to a restaurant in India today, you have the Namo Thali, you have the Raga Thali. You are moved in from aap to aap. And when I asked the student, do you know the meaning of values? The Gen Y or the so-called millennials? The answer was set of ethical principles maybe. Again, there are people who are very conscious, who keep Googling these things. The answer was, if you want a better answer, why don't you go and Google? I said, fine. I said, who's the teacher then? Oh, the teacher is somebody who will solve the problems which you would never have if he was not there. Then I said, okay, fine. Would you perform surgeries on the Google? The answer was, I hit you so hard, even Google won't find you. Well, coming back to the serious aspects, we are a beautiful country. We have declared the Teachers' Day as 5th September, Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. We have recently discovered that 11th of November, that is Maulana Azad's birthday, to be the Education Day of this country. I doubt many people might not be knowing it, but we should